Bro, I get nervous. I ain't gonna cap. Every time we do this, man, we get a little better. But fuck it, guess what? We're back. But this time, we're blessed. We're blessed enough that. Alright, bro. What it is? What's up? I'm back with another video, but this time it's a little different. We're building a 3D printer. Yeah, a 3D printer. That's crazy, bro. So we're blessed enough. Shout out to Mexican Jesus for letting us build his 3D printer. Let's see. This is the printer, obviously, and then this is filament. Fuck it, unboxing. See, he didn't even open it. This shit's cool, bro. Let's see. Oh wow. Okay, so filament. I hear that what was it? If you take it out the package, it starts to absorb moisture, right? So then you have to dehydrate it, so it has like its moisture packets on the inside and whatnot. So all right, we'll save that for later, bro, because this is cool, bro. This is cool. Throwback to 2021, bro. Was that when everybody was 3D printing ghost guns, bro? I mean, that's what 3D printers were for originally. Let's see. What am I gonna open this with? I don't even know what this is, bro. The little ass fucking I'm missing. Damn, this is kind of relaxing, man. I haven't had a chance to just sit down, bro, build some Legos. Man, how y'all doing today, man? Real quick, crowd. Not even crowd, bro. Fam, bro. You guys are fam. What y'all doing, bro? You're having a great day, bro. Y'all just wake up and think, I'm gonna bully somebody today. Nah, I'm just playing. Don't be doing that, bro. I'm a great person. Everyone who watches this is a great person. Did y'all see the bag inoculation the other day? The last video? So far, 1 week in, no contamination. Oh, man, I can't tell the difference, bro. No, I'm just playing. I know. The thick ones are a base, and then the thin ones are support. These are cool little tools, bro. Came with a few Allen keys, some cool little wrenches, neat little flat head. Oh, yeah. Hey, quick flex. Did I tell you already, bro? That I have, like, what, from 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, not 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, I've had 9 hours. I went to bed last night like around 7, 8. I woke up at 4:30. Was late to work. Was supposed to be there at 5. Got there at 5:40. I'm sorry. So I got about 9, 8 hours. That's good, bro. I'm a healthy individual, man. And then what? After being like about an hour late, came home, played some Minecraft. Hey, yo, where's this stick go, bro? There's like I don't think you can see it, but there's like this one has a rod on the inside. I wonder if that even goes here. I don't think it goes there, but it goes on. Yeah, this is part 17. Put it to the side. Let's see, 15, 16. I don't know the difference, man. Oh, these are cool. You can see where the drill came through the aluminum and just said bzzz. See, that's cool to me, bro. That's cool to me. That's it. Yeah, you can tell which one this is. This is 15. It goes like this. And this one has 2 holes at the bottom, so okay. Guess what? Guess what, by the way? Nah, chicken butt. That's what it is. We haven't even started. I haven't even started, bro. Fuck y'all. I kid. It's a joke. It's a joke. Don't yell at me now. Cool. Damn, bro. Look at these little Allen wrenches, bro. 2. Bro, these are so little, bro. I didn't even know they made them that small, bro. That's crazy. I'll put them in order. Bro, can you hear that? It's been raining since like 6 in the morning, bro. I got scared. I was like, oh shit, I'm gonna lose my shit. I'm gonna have a power surge, and my computer's gonna get fucked. But I just lost my shit on Minecraft, which is way better, I guess. Cool. Cool. Step 1's pretty cool. Step 1 was just it only took me like 20 minutes to start, but alright, bro, we're almost there. Step 1 out of what? Step 1 out of 12, bro. You see? Fuck it. Hey, I'm a time code him. I'm gonna see if I can. Step 1, introduction. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Isn't that badass, bro? When you get a new phone, bro, and you take the film off the new phone film, bro. Man, it's still raining, bro. Holy fuck. I get easily distracted, man. I'm telling y'all, bro. I got to have ADHD or something, bro. I told somebody that I might have ADHD, bro. They said you definitely got some, bro. What the fuck? Alright, bro. This is like the last big piece we gotta put on now. It's gonna go like that. Sweeping it, bro. Y'all seen that? Hey, hit the like button if you seen the crackhead with the broom just sweeping that shit, bro. He goes hard. Thanks for watching.